Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the game install quickly. Open the launcher and check properties for Browse Local Files. Once done, make sure hidden files are visible in your OS settings so extensions and config files aren't hidden. You should also note whether the game runs from Steam, Epic, or a custom folder because paths differ. Then, right-click the game's executable or use the launcher's Browse option to jump straight into the install directory. This gets you to now scan the folder for configuration candidates. Start with obvious file names like config, ini, settings, CFG, user prefs, JSON, or game. CFG since developers reuse these names. Once identified, check nearby subfolders, config, saved, app data, or my documents because some games place user settings outside the install path. Make sure to sort by date modified or filter by extensions such as ini, CFG, JSON, or XML to find the active file. Also, keep in mind that some settings are per profile, so look inside profile folders. You're at the final step. Make a backup before changing anything, copy the original and append a timestamp or add back so you can revert. Then open the config with a plain text editor, edit values deliberately, and maintain encoding and line endings. This prevents parse errors. Once saved, restart the game and verify changes in game and in the log files. If something breaks, replace the edited file with your backup and restart. This single restore step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.